Hello, good morning. Let's go. Ihatod na naman si Ara sa school from Broomfield. Ang school ni Ara guys kay mabaktas ra diri gikan sa among house. Sa araw. So, mabaktas ra nara sa mga around 5 to 10 minutes na walk. So, that's why gipili pa naman ni na house kay dool ri siya. Napoy mga bus oh. Hello. Bus. Doon pa sa bus station. Are you ready for school today?
Yeah.
Are you ready for school? Nak. Ready na ka school? Hatod ni mami daddy oh. Family na no? Family na. Family na naghatod ka. Let's go. Let's go. Are you happy? Happy ka? How many percent?
20 mil.
20 million %. Hold that essence. Are you ready for school? Yeah. Are you ready for school?
Mina.
School ng Barayday. Hold mommy sense. Family maghatod ka ara sa school. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano jud sulit ang tax ni daddy dire. Suliton ang tax sa libre na school, libre na food. Kaog banat sa school ha. Kay libre ang food. Let's go, let's go. Oh, freedom in the holiday. No work, no class. Neighbor no? Malas pa ito. Nak, bye-bye. Here's the school. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator.